Hello everyone, I'm Duran H. Simakon, an MIS student of UP Open University. For this short video presentation of IS215, I will be discussing our topic discussion number 2, describe the need for concurrency within the framework of an operating system. Let's define first what is concurrency. Concurrency is the execution of several instruction sequences at the same time. In an operating system, this happens when there are several process threads running in parallel. These threads may communicate with each other through either shared memory or message passing. Why is concurrency important in the operating system? It is important to optimize the use of time, to reduce the available time for another process through the process called batch task. The operating system needs to decide which processes runs at the same or certain point in time, and in order to accomplish this, the operating system needs to implement concurrency through the process scheduling. Concurrency arises in multi-user operating systems where different users execute programs concurrently. Single-user operating systems where input or output activities go simultaneously with program execution. Some processors whose activities are concurrent. Example, the fetch next instruction is done concurrently with the execution of an instruction. There are two forms of concurrency, namely, true concurrency. This happens in multiprocessor systems where several processes are executing at the same time. And simulated concurrency. This can be found in single processor systems where the system is made to give the impression of executing several programs at once. This is achieved by interleaving. Example, switching the processor from one processor to another at relatively frequent intervals. So here's my example of concurrency in real-world situation for simulated concurrency. Suppose a 5-story building that has only one elevator that lifts up and down and to serve up to 10 passengers maximum at a time. If a passenger at the ground floor press the up button of the elevator to go up, the elevator opens. The passenger then press the button 5 to go up to the 5th floor. When the elevator travels upward, it will never go downward when someone from the ground floor presses the button unless it reaches to its destination. The elevator will only open and load another passenger only at the same direction at a time. And that's it for my video presentation, and daghang salamat.